Okay, you want to see how to build a neat light post for your backyard? This is one way to certainly do it. It turned out really good. Okay, what I got here is an 8-foot 4x4, preferably tamarack or cedar, so it'll be rot resistant. And I've sunk it into the ground with a post hole digger about, uh, probably about 16 inches. And then I've taken plastic corrugated uh, uh, pipe. This is the flex kind. I filled it with, this is river rock, and then this is just woods rock I've surrounded it all with, and that'll help protect it and make it really super strong. And then for my hooks up here at the local farmer's hardware store, I just got a couple of cheap tree pegs for, the guys use these for deer hunting for their foot, and I've just inserted them. I drilled it and then put them in, and yeah, she's solid. And I should mention, before I sunk the post, I treated the bottom about 20 inches with WD-40 for rot resistance as well. And there you go. I think anybody would be pleased with a post like that. Pretty cool.